These are our strap end punches. They're great for the tips of belts, for bag straps, pet products, anything that needs a clean finished tip at the end of the strap. So we stock the CS Osborne. These are drop forged steel. They're factory sharpened tips. As you can see here, we've got our standard point U-shape. Come over here to our English tip. We've got our multi-use, and we've got our square edge. So we stock them in all sizes from just about 2 inch down to 1/2 inch, working with a 1.5 inch strap. And so I'll show you how you use them. So 1.5 inch U-shaped tip. So always recommend using a heavy mallet. This is a rawhide mallet. We also recommend using a heavy poly mallet, something that's got some heft. It'll take 1 or 2 good blows to get this strap cutter to punch through. So lining it up, you can tip it with an awl. I usually just eyeball it. Again, 2 to 3 hits. Comes right off. So another good tool is our multi-use. This goes to 2 inch at the base, goes up to 1/2 inch at the top. So if you're working with, again, 1.5 inches here, lining it up. Then when you come down to something like 1 inch, again, lining it up, holding it and kind of bringing it up so that you're level. If you put too much pressure on the back, you're going to be like this. So I put a little bit of pressure forward. All right. And finally, let me just show you the square edge. Again, 1.5 inch strap. This is an 1.5 inch square edge tip. So, final product. This is a 1.25 inch belt. So you can see we use the U-shaped punch tip here and the English tip point there. So, that is the range of our strap end punches.